How to make a shirt in Roblox. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make your own shirt in Roblox. So if you're looking to make a shirt or t-shirt in Roblox, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have one made. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Go ahead and log into your account. Once we're logged in, all we need to do is go up into the top menu and select Create. Once you select Create, you'll be brought to the Roblox Creator. And the first thing we need to do is actually download a shirt template from Roblox. Now, check the description. I'll have a direct link below, but you can also just go into documentation. Once documentation loads, select Guides. And then in the left menu, you just want to scroll down until you see Avatar, select Accessories, and then Classic Clothing. From there, we can scroll down and you'll see the template for both a shirt and then a shirt with pants as well. And this is going to be a sleeveless shirt. We're going to be making a shirt. So right click the left template over here and then select Save Image As. Save the template. Now that we have the template saved, we just need to edit the template so that it includes our shirt, and then we can upload the template as a shirt. And I recommend using a really easy to use free tool called Canva.com. So you don't need to download anything to be able to edit the shirt. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get to Canva.com, create an account or log in. And once you're in your account, go up and select Create a Design. And then we just want to select Edit Photo at the bottom of that. Go ahead and find the Roblox shirt template we just downloaded. Open that up. It'll upload it. And then we just need to select Use in a Design right here. Now that we're in Canva and we have the template uploaded, the areas right here that are labeled front, down, things like that, these are going to be where your shirt is at. So as you can see, we have the actual torso up here, and then we have the right arm and the left arm. So we can start editing these by first going over to Elements in the left sidebar. And then once we select this little square right here, you'll then see the square appear over the template. And now we just need to drag it over the template, make sure that it's the size of the actual torso. And then we can drag that to cover up the torso. From there, we can change the color of it. So I'm going to use a blue. And then we can do the same thing to cover up the up and down portions. So I'll grab another one. Then make sure it fits just over the template there and drag it all the way. And if you need to make any adjustments, we can zoom in a little bit just to make sure that it fits all the way. Keep in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you're over the line and you can't see the template anymore, it should be fine. So now all we need to do is add any images or textures that we want to. And we can do that by simply going over to Elements. We can look up all kinds of things. So I'm just going to add this icon right here as the back of my shirt. And then I'm going to add a Gauging Gadgets logo to the front of my shirt. So now we can start working on the left and the right arms right here. And we can do the same thing by going to Elements and then just grabbing the square here, moving it in, and covering up those sections just like that. So my arms will be red and my actual torso of my shirt will be blue. So we can add any of these things such as graphics, stickers, even photos to our shirt over here. Now, if you want to add some texture to your shirt, what I recommend doing is going over to Elements, then Graphics, and then going to Gradient. So they have a ton in here that we can use. I'll use this black one. And all we need to do is just move it over our shirt sleeve or wherever we want it. And then as you can see, there's some texture on that. From there, we can duplicate this and simply move it over to the other arm. Once you're done editing and creating your Roblox shirt, to save it to your computer so we can upload it to Roblox, all we need to do is go up on the top right, select Share, then go down to Download, and then you want to make sure that it is a PNG. From there, just select Download, and then you can save it. Once we're done creating our shirt, go back to roblox.com, select Create in the top menu, and then from the dashboard here under Creations, we just want to go to Avatar Items. Then we just need to select Shirt in the top menu, and then select Upload Asset. Make sure Shirt is selected, select Upload, find the shirt we just designed. You'll see it uploaded there. Go ahead and give it a name. You can even give it a description, and this will help it if you plan on selling it. And then select upload at the bottom. Now keep in mind, we are going to have to pay 10 Robux. So go ahead and select upload, and then confirm that you want to spend 10 Robux to upload your shirt. So select upload. Then it will take you back, and you'll see your new shirt right here. From there, if we want to change the name or description or list our shirt for sale, all we need to do is select the shirt and then select on sale. Now we can set a price for our shirt, and keep in mind that Roblox keeps 30% of your price. So if I make my shirt 10 Robux, I'm only going to get 7 Robux from it because Roblox will keep 3 of those. So once you're done, go ahead and select Save Changes. And now we have created our shirt and listed it for sale. Now to wear our t-shirt, we just need to leave the creator dashboard by going back to roblox.com. Then in the left menu here, select Avatar. Once you get to your avatar, you'll be able to see your avatar wearing your new shirt that we just designed. All right, so that's how you make a shirt on Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.